Hey guys, my name is Zoeplayer and welcome back to my channel. Right, so here's what's going to happen if I move this out of the way, my charger, take it out of the way. And so this is basically what's going to happen. God, I wish I'd brush and tell me, but for God's sake. Pull this over. So it's a bit dark down there. Alright, which way does this go? I've gone already. Oh yeah, I think it goes this way. Does it? So if I'm whipping you around, guys. Alright. This is the right way. Yeah, of course it is. This is why I need brushes out, but... Hi guys. Alright, let me just undo these screws. Which are these little things here? That's in the shot. Yes. Got the shot. Oh god. This is a lot harder, guys. I was trying to help you. Right, so. So sorry guys if you can't see that much. I'll put it into the light a bit more. There. So as you can see, it is empty, but this will grow bigger. So the motherboard will go there where the fan is, as you can see. So those two fans, and that's the memory, and the disc will go there, and the power box will go here. So hopefully Brushy will, if I'm at school, hopefully if he does this, so he'll have these connected up. Then I'm going to get the monitor and the keyboard and mouse, and then I'll have to hook it all up. So hopefully that'll be, well, hopefully it will be good as, I can't say, goody gun drops. There you go. Sorry, that's not your word. Right, so as you can see, it's empty. So there are a lot of wires here. So can you see the USBs? Oh god, that a bit more. Yep, and that's the on button there. That's the reset. Not receipt, reset button. So hopefully I'm going to tidy up my room a bit more, because as you can see, it's kind of a little bit messy. So that's what we're going to do it. And I'll try that away soon. So as I said in the last video, so this Xbox One's going to go down there. As you can see down here, my PS4, which has got my where my headphones are, will go here. And my TV will go here where my Xbox is. Monitor will go there. We'll back a little bit. And my tablet won't be there, it'll be up there. And my monitor will be here where the TV is. Keyboard will be what? Oh no, sorry. I'm talking nonsense. So TV will be no, not TV. TV will be there. Ugh, stupid donker. TV will be here. Monitor will be back there. Keyboard, mouse, and etc. You know what I mean. So guys, this is gonna be a short video, because this is not properly the it's not really properly the actual part, but this is like this is like part 3, like getting it ready. So yeah. So thanks guys for watching. If you liked it, and please drop a like down below. Please like, comment and subscribe, and as always, peace.